Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix FaceTime is grayed out on your iPhone. So, if your FaceTime is grayed out on your iPhone and you can't even tap it, yeah, that's super frustrating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through simple fixes that usually solve this issue. So, first, open up your settings. Now, once you're in, scroll down a bit and tap on apps. From there, keep scrolling until you find FaceTime, then tap on it. So as you can see here at the bottom, if you see FaceTime and if that's off, you can just tap on it to toggle it on. And that alone might fix the issue right away. Now, if FaceTime is already turned on but still grayed out, don't worry, we've got more to try. So go back to the main settings page, then scroll down and tap on screen time. Inside screen time, look for content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it and make sure it's turned off. So, if this setting is enabled, it can block certain apps like FaceTime from being used, which is why it might appear grayed out. For the next step, check the contact you're trying to FaceTime. So, go back to the messages. If the person isn't saved in your contacts, your iPhone might not recognize them properly for FaceTime. So, go ahead and open your contacts, then tap on the plus icon to create a new one. So add their number or email, and once they're saved, try FaceTiming them again. Now, if that still doesn't work, you can go to settings and go to transfer or reset iPhone. And try again if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.